Hey students, today we will learn about the generating function of Legendre equation. As we discussed earlier in our classes about the solution of Legendre equation, what is the Legendre polynomial and the Rodriguez formula related to the Legendre equation. What is the generating function for any polynomial? For any of the polynomial, the generating function is a function which generates that polynomial. So here we have a generating function that is a function of which one variable the polynomial exists, that is Pn of x is the function of x. So the generating function will also be the function of x. So here the generating function is 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to the power minus 1 by 2. This is the generating function for Legendre polynomial. This provides us Pn of x. T raised to the power n Pn of x, that is nth term of this function. When we solve this function, then the nth term of this function or the coefficient of t raised to the power n gives us the results as like the Legendre polynomial. So we prove this now. For this, consider that function which generates the polynomial, that is 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to the power minus 1 by 2. We have to expand it using binomial theorem. What is the binomial theorem for raised to the power minus 1 by 2? This is 1 minus z raised to the power minus 1 by 2 gives us the results 1 plus z by 2 plus 1 by 2 3 by 2 z square by 2 factorial plus 1 by 2 3 by 2 5 by 2 by 3 factorial z cube plus 1 by 2 3 by 2 5 by 2 7 by 2 z 4 by 4 factorial and so on. We can rewrite it as 1 plus z by 2 plus 1 into 3 divided by 2 into 4 z raised to the power 2 plus 1 into 3 into 5 over 2 into 4 into 6 z raised to the power 3 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 over 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 z raised to the power 4. Now in the generating function we have the value of z as minus 2xt minus t square. So place the value of z as 2xt minus t square. We get the result 1 plus 1 by 2 z, that is 2xt minus t square plus 1 into 3 over 2 into 4 z square, that is 2xt minus t square the whole square, 1 into 3 into 5 over 2 into 4 into 6 2xt minus t square raised to the power 3 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 2xt minus t square raised to the power 4 and so on. What will be the general term of that function? This will be, from here we can say that 1 into 3 into 5 into 7, that is this gives us the multiplication of all terms, and in the denominator the term gives us the multiplication of all the even terms. So we can say that this becomes 1 plus summation of 1 into 3 into 5 2k minus 1 over 2 into 4 into 6 up to 2k 2xt minus t square raised to the power k, where k tends to 1 to infinity. This is the kth term. We have to summationize this from 1 to infinity. We get the results of this expansion. So we can say that from here now we have the function 2xt minus t square raised to the power k, which we should have to solve this. For solving this 2xt minus t square raised to the power k, again we expand it taking common t raised to the power k, we get the results 2xt minus k raised to the power k. Now solve this term. A minus b raised to the power n, which gives the results a raised to the power n, b raised to the power 0 minus a raised to the power n minus 1, b raised to the power 1, nc 1, nc 2, a raised to the power n minus 2, b raised to the power 2, and so on. Using this, we can say that whereas nc0, nc1, nc2 will be the combination. T raised to the power k, 2x raised to the power k minus k, 2x raised to the power k minus 1 into t, plus when we solve nc2, k, we get the results k into k minus 1 by 2 factorial, and a raised to the power n minus 2, that is 2x raised to the power k minus 2 t square, plus next term will be nc3, that is kc3, 2x raised to the power k minus 3 t cube, and so on. What will be the last term? Minus 1 raised to the power k, t raised to the power k, and 2x raised to the power 0 kc k. So the last term will be minus 1 raised to the power k, t raised to the power k. Substituting this value of 2x minus t square raised to the power k in the above equation, which we get from the expansion of 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to the power minus 1 by 2. So now we get the result 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to the power minus 1 by 2, which will be 1 plus summation of 1 into 3 into 5, 2 raised to the power 2k minus 1 over 2 into 4 into 6 over 2k, 2xt minus t square raised to the power k. We have to put the value of 2xt minus t square raised to the power k as like this. We get the results this time as it is 2x raised to the power k, t raised to the power k minus k, 2x raised to the power k minus 1, t raised to the power k plus 1, plus k into k minus 1 over 2 factorial, 2x raised to the power k minus 2, t raised to the power k plus 2, plus up to minus 1 raised to the power k, t raised to the power 2k. This gives the results. From where this comes? As we discussed earlier, we have to take a common out from this term as t raised to the power k. We have to multiply t raised to the power k to the whole term, and we get the results like this. Now in this equation, the value of right hand side we have changed, and from the value of right hand side we get the results of coefficient of t raised to the power n. When we start the generating function, we discuss about the generating function. What is that? This gives the function. This is the function which gives the Legendre polynomial, having coefficient of t raised to the power n gives the Legendre polynomial. So we can say that here the coefficient of t raised to the power n will be, we have to put the value of k as n. We get the result t raised to the power n from here. When we put the value of k as n minus 1, we get the value of coefficient of t raised to the power n from this term. When we put the value of k as n minus 2, we get the results of coefficient of t raised to the power n from this value, and so on. So we have the coefficient of t raised to the power n will be coefficient of t raised to the power n will be 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 over 2 into 4 into 6 up to 2 raised to the power n. First term gives the results from here 2x raised to the power n minus second term gives the result from here. When we put the value of k as n minus 1, we get the results 1 into 3 up to 2n minus 3 over 2 into 4 into 6 up to 2n minus 2 and n minus 1 2x raised to the power n minus 2 plus the next term will be from here. When we put the value of k as n minus 2, 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 5 over 2 into 4 into 6 up to 2n minus 4, n minus 2, n minus 3 over 2 factorial, 2x raised to the power n minus 4 and so on. So we can say that from here the term 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 may be taken as common from all the terms. 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 we take as this common over n factorial. From where n factorial comes? From first term. You can see when we take common as the number 2 from these all terms, as we know that all are the even terms which contains 2, so we have to taking out 2 from here, we get the results taking out 2, 1, 2, 3 into 4 into 5 up to n, which gives the results of n factorial. Similar results we find from here. So we get the n factorial will be common in the all term. So we have to take an out of this from these terms. And also we know that here all the terms containing 2x raised to the power n, 2x raised to the power n minus 2, 2x raised to the power n minus 4 and like this. That is the 2 raised to the power something which cancels the term which common out from the denominator. As like from here 2 common out from this up to n terms, which gives the result 2 raised to the power n. So we can say that here 2 raised to the power n cancel out 2 raised to the power n. So we get the results n factorial. Similarly here. So we get the results 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 over n factorial x raised to the power n minus n into n minus 1 over 2 into 2 minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 2 and so on. Now we discussed earlier about this. When we generating the Legendre polynomial from the with the help of Rodriguez formula, also the results was same. So we can say that this is the Legendre polynomial. And what is the value of this? This is the coefficient of t raised to the power n. So we can say that from here the coefficient of t raised to the power n of this function gives the results of polynomial of Legendre equation, that is Legendre polynomial. So the equation is satisfied, which is satisfied is 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to the power minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 plus t raised to the power n Pn of x summation of from 1 n is equals to 1 to infinity. We can rewrite it as summation of n is equals to 0 to infinity t raised to the power n Pn of x, as we know that P1 of x gives the results 0. So from this expansion, this is clear that 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to the power minus 1 by 2, that is powers of t, gives the Legendre polynomial. So we can say that 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to the power minus 1 by 2 will be called Legendre polynomial.